Hey guys, today I have a secondary soccer game which is just called 4-goal soccer. For this game, your students will need the basic skill of kicking a soccer ball. For this skill, it is important to remind your students of proper form so that they can control the ball and not hurt someone else. You should remind them that their non-kicking foot should be planted next to the ball. Then they strike the ball with the inside of their foot, and then they should always follow through. I like to use the cues plant, side, through to help my students remember these steps. These are the standards that this lesson follows. This game is best used at the end of a soccer or any kicking unit as a modified game. The goal of this lesson is to teach students the correct form when passing and dribbling a soccer ball. For this game, you will need soccer balls and any other objects that can safely be kicked in a gym. You will also need 4 goals and a way to mark teams such as jerseys or wristbands. This game is essentially just soccer with 4 goals. All of the same rules of soccer apply. Break the class up into 4 equal teams and assign each one a goal to guard, and each team can pick who they want to be the goalie first. If a goal is scored, then whichever team that was guarding that goal has to switch their goalie out, so that way everyone gets a chance. You can choose to play to a set score limit or for a set amount of time. Potential modifications you can make are adding more or less teams with goals. You can also add more balls or even change the soccer balls out for different kicking objects. I got this game from the YouTube channel Phys Ed Games.